Hey guys, what a guan, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. If you are new, I am Kaisa A and I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and stick around. So in today's video I will be making a aloe vera oil. I will be making it from scratch. So I start off by cutting up my aloe vera leaf in some cubes, and as you know, aloe vera have so many different properties. It is good for your skin, for your hair. So I started off by adding some extra virgin olive oil to the pot, and I didn't measure it. I just ensured that it covers the base of the frying pan. And also I'm going to go ahead and add 4 spoonfuls of coconut oil, and after which I'm going to go ahead and add my cubes of aloe vera. So I allowed this to cook for 20 minutes, but after 5 minutes I went ahead and I covered the pot because I wanted the aloe vera to infuse some more. I want it to pull all of the nutrients from the aloe vera. So I covered the pot for 5 minutes and then I remove it and allow it to stay for another 10 minutes, right? So after the 20 minutes is completed, I remove the pot from the heat and I allow that to settle for 20 minutes, and then there you go. I have my aloe vera oil. So now I'm just pouring it out into my glass jar, and that's it, guys. So I will be demonstrating to you how I apply to my hair, and right now I am still wearing my braids, right? So you will see what I do in cases like these, okay? So now I'm going in with my rosemary oil and my peppermint oil. I'm going to be adding 10 drops of each to my oil. So today is officially 2 weeks, you know, guys, with me wearing these braids. I will leave a link in the description bar, guys. I did this myself. You all can go ahead and check this out, right? So now I'm going in with my aloe vera leave-in conditioner. There's also a video on that. I will leave it in the description bar, and I'm just spraying that. I sprayed it into the entire hair because I wanted to saturate it first, to moisturize it first. Now I'm going in with my aloe vera oil just to seal in all of that juice, all of that moisture into my hair. Okay, so that's basically what I'm doing, and I'm going to do this like every other day. I will be wearing this braid for another week or so, right? So every other day I will go in and add this moisture back into my hair. So that's basically it for today, guys. You know, please remember to check out the other videos. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you will be using this in your hair. All right, so go and big up on yourself, and I will see you all in my next video.